Hello, today's topic is lines in Revit, which includes line work, model line, detail line, thin line, convert lines. The line work. Line work doesn't create lines, but changes its attributes and characteristics. Line work is used to manipulate, modify, and manage the way element displays in the drawing area. Instead, it overrides the current line style of the selected line and applies a different line style. To illustrate that, so I am going to override and manipulate the current line style of that fence. I need to bold the outline frame of it. To do so, hit Modify tab, Line Work. I would choose Wide Line to bold the outline frame of that fence and choose that one. Or if I want to change the street level line from being continuous into hidden line or dash line, selected, hidden, select, it became hidden line instead of continuous line. Please note that line work can be applied on 3D views Also, it is good to know that we can create a new line weight in line work. Hit Manage tab, Additional setting, Line styles. Open the drop-down menu. From New, we can create a new line weight. I have already created that type and I have assigned line weight projection to be 8 and OK. Now I can just go to Modify tab, Line Work, and I would choose the one I have created, Wide Line. Moving to the model line. Model line can be created from scratch, unlike line work. So we need to hit Architectural tab, Model line. And we can also modify the line style. When I press on the model line, I can easily choose any one of these line types, maybe hidden line, or the one I have created before, and so on. The model line appears in all orthogonal and 3D views, and we can edit the model line. Hit Manage tab, Additional setting, Line styles, New, Example. I would assign lightweight 12, change the color to be red, add OK. I will make it center, apply, OK. When I go back to my project, I would choose that one. I can edit it. Go to Manage tab, I would change its thickness to be 6. I would change to be center. The detail line. Also, detail line can be created from scratch like the model line and unlike the line work. To create the detail line, we hit Annotate tab, Detail line. For example, I'm going to create that detail line. If I go to the 3D view, I will not be able to see that detail line. It's not visible. So the detail line doesn't appear in all orthogonal or 3D views. It appears only in the view the line was created in, such as the ground floor level. Unlike the model line, hit Architectural tab and Model Line. I will create a model line. If I go to the 3D view, I can see that model line. Model line. And same as the model line and the line work, I can change the line style from Modify tab, and from Manage tab I can create a new line style. Next is the thin lines. But what is the thin lines? Actually, the thin line is not a line type, but it is a feature. Firstly, we get that feature either from View tab, Thin Lines, or from Quick Access bar, Thin Lines. When I activate the thin line, this displays the line as a singular line, and regardless of the zoom level, zoom in, zoom out, still the line is a singular line. When I disable thin lines, this displays the line with its assigned width and as they will be printed as shown. So it is always recommended before printing or exporting to PDF to disable thin line. Finally, converting lines. To convert a detail line to a model line and vice versa, we need to create a model line and a detail line. But firstly, we need to be on an orthogonal view, like the ground floor. Architectural, Model Line, hit Annotate tab, Detail Line. I will select the model line, convert lines from Modify tab. The model line got automatically converted to a detail line. Select the detail line, convert lines. The detail line became a model line. By the way, most working outlines are detail lines, and it is recommended to be so.